What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be updating you on my Bitconnect journey. So, if you look here, I have 1120 in my lending wallet, so I'm going to be doing a reinvestment pretty soon. But just to show you, I've invested 270 so far, and then total earned is 56.52, and that's for not even a month of being on this platform. And then if you check this out, these are my payouts. So I'm getting 6 payouts every single day. 2 bigger ones from my bigger initial investments, and then 4 smaller ones from my reinvestments that I do as often as possible. And it's just looking pretty good. And then I'll show you the interest rates. Alright, so today was 0.96, a few high days, and then 0.5 for tomorrow technically, and then for the next day it's pending at 1.02, so you can look forward to a good payout for that day. And then I'll show you the earnings. So 280 as of today, and then 299 days. And this is just the base earnings. If you reinvest every single day, you can change 100 to 2,500. And if you keep doing that, you can gain quite a bit. So with this $280, if I didn't reinvest at all and just took my profits every single day, at the end of the term, which is 300 days, I would have made $974 and technically $694 profit, but you do get your capital back, so that could be considered profit, because with cloud mining you pay for hash rate and you never see that again, but with this you get your capital back. So $280 investment and you get 1,000 back, so that's pretty good. And then I'll go ahead and do that reinvest. So we'll just hit this, and then all, and then we'll hit reinvest. And then as you can see, I'll get my this capital back in 299 days. And then close. So now I still have 120 left in my lending wallet. And then now my total investment is 280, so I'm super close to the 300 mark. And like I said before, I want to get my loans to 3,000 by the end of the year. And if I do that on both Bitconnect and Hashflare, then I will be making 20K in 2019. So if you want to do the same thing and start getting paid every single day, waking up to a paycheck every day and earning money in your sleep, then I have a link in the description for you to sign up. And that's about it. Just leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section how much you're planning on investing in Bitconnect, or how much you already have invested. And join my referral team if you want to, and I'll see you in the next one.